Watering is where most people go wrong. Only water your ZZ plant when the soil is completely dry from top to bottom. When you do water, water deeply. Watering is where most people go wrong. Only water your ZZ plant when the soil is completely dry from top to bottom.
Your ZZ plant looks healthy one week. Then suddenly the leaves lose their shine, the stems look less upright, and growth seems to stop. You water it, move it closer to a window, and even give it fertilizer, but nothing changes. The hidden problem may not be the soil or the light at all. It could be your air conditioner. During hot weather, many homes become artificial summer environments. Air conditioners keep people comfortable, but they also change indoor humidity levels. While ZZ plants are famous for surviving neglect and adapting to different conditions, they still respond to the environment around them. Constant, cool, dry air can slowly affect their appearance and growth. Many plant owners assume tropical-looking plants need frequent watering when they seem unhappy in air-conditioned rooms. Unfortunately, extra watering often makes things worse. The real issue is understanding how humidity and air conditioning work together and learning how to create a balanced environment. A few simple adjustments can help your ZZ plant maintain its glossy leaves, sturdy stems, and vibrant green color, even when the air conditioner runs every day. Section 1. Understanding the ZZ plant's natural environment. The ZZ plant originally comes from regions of Eastern Africa, where temperatures can be warm and conditions may alternate between periods of rain and drought. In its natural habitat, the plant has adapted to survive challenging environments by storing water inside thick rhizomes beneath the soil. These natural reservoirs allow the plant to remain healthy during dry periods. Although ZZ plants are remarkably resilient, they are not desert cacti. They still appreciate moderate humidity and stable conditions. In nature, they experience natural air movement, seasonal moisture, and gradual environmental changes that are often missing inside modern homes. Indoor spaces with continuous air conditioning create a completely different environment. Temperatures remain cool, and moisture levels in the air can drop significantly. While the ZZ plant can tolerate these conditions better than many tropical houseplants, prolonged exposure to extremely dry air may reduce leaf shine and slow overall development. Understanding the plant's natural adaptations is important because it changes the way you care for it. Instead of assuming the plant needs constant watering, you can focus on recreating balanced conditions that support healthy growth while respecting the ZZ plant's remarkable ability to conserve water. Section 2. How air conditioning changes indoor humidity. Air conditioners do much more than cool a room. They also remove moisture from the air. As warm air passes through the cooling system, water vapor condenses and is carried away, leaving the room feeling cooler and drier. For humans, this lower humidity often feels refreshing during hot weather. For houseplants, however, the experience can be very different. Plants continuously exchange moisture with the surrounding environment through tiny openings on their leaves. When indoor air becomes excessively dry, moisture evaporates more quickly from plant tissues. Fortunately, the ZZ plant has thick, waxy leaves that reduce water loss and make it more tolerant of dry conditions than many indoor plants. However, prolonged exposure to dry, conditioned air can still affect the plant's appearance. Leaves may become dull, new growth may develop more slowly, and overall vigor may decline. Another challenge occurs when air conditioners operate for long periods without interruption. Rooms can become consistently dry, leaving plants without opportunities to experience natural humidity fluctuations. Recognizing how air conditioning changes the indoor environment helps explain why a ZZ plant might look less vibrant despite receiving proper watering and light. Section 3. Signs that dry air is affecting your ZZ plant. A ZZ plant suffering from excessively dry indoor air often sends subtle signals before major problems appear. The first change many people notice is a loss of the plant's glossy appearance. Healthy leaves usually have a rich, polished look, but dry conditions can make them appear dull and less vibrant. Growth may also become noticeably slower. Z plants naturally grow at a relaxed pace, yet extremely dry environments can reduce their energy even further. New shoots may emerge less frequently, and young leaves may take longer to mature. Leaf tips occasionally become slightly brown or crisp, particularly if the plant sits directly in the path of cold air from an air conditioner vent. Constant airflow can create localized dryness that stresses the foliage. Another common symptom is increased dust accumulation on the leaves. Dry environments often allow more dust particles to settle on plant surfaces, reducing their natural shine and slightly interfering with light absorption. These signs are easy to overlook because they develop gradually. Since ZZ plants are extremely tough, they rarely collapse dramatically in response to dry air. Instead, they slowly lose their lush, vibrant appearance, signaling that the environment could be adjusted to better support their long-term health. Section 4. Creating a ZZ plant. Friendly environment in air-conditioned homes. Keeping your ZZ plant lush in an air-conditioned home does not require turning your living room into a tropical greenhouse. Small environmental adjustments can make a meaningful difference. Start by considering placement. Avoid positioning the plant directly under an air conditioning vent or in the direct path of constant cold airflow. Continuous blasts of dry air can gradually stress the leaves and reduce their natural shine. Grouping several houseplants together can also help. Plants naturally release moisture through transpiration, creating a small pocket of slightly higher humidity around the foliage. This microenvironment benefits all the plants in the group. Regular cleaning is equally important. Wiping the leaves with a soft, damp cloth removes dust and restores their glossy appearance. Clean leaves absorb light more efficiently and often appear healthier immediately. Maintaining proper watering habits remains essential. Dry indoor air does not automatically mean the soil dries rapidly. Always check the potting mix before watering, allowing the soil to partially dry between waterings. Respects the plant's natural water storage system and prevents root problems. These simple adjustments help maintain a balanced environment where your ZZ plant can continue looking healthy, glossy, and attractive throughout the air-conditioned season. Air conditioning makes modern homes comfortable, especially during long periods of heat and humidity. Yet the cool, dry air that people enjoy can gradually change the environment surrounding indoor plants. The ZZ plant's incredible resilience often hides early signs of stress. Because it tolerates drought and low humidity so well, small environmental problems may go unnoticed for months. Eventually, the plant loses some of its glossy beauty, growth slows, and its once vibrant appearance becomes less impressive. The good news is that keeping a ZZ plant lush in artificial summer air is surprisingly simple. Understanding how air conditioning affects humidity allows you to make thoughtful adjustments instead of reaching for the watering can every time the plant appears slightly different. Choosing an appropriate location, avoiding direct airflow, maintaining proper watering practices, and keeping the leaves clean can help preserve the plant's natural beauty throughout the year. The ZZ plant does not demand constant attention or complicated care routines. It simply appreciates balance. By respecting its natural adaptations and making small changes to the indoor environment, you can enjoy glossy green leaves and healthy growth, even while your air conditioner keeps your home cool and comfortable every
ZZ plants thrive in normal indoor temperatures between 18 and 26 degrees Celsius.